So I'm gonna quickly gloss over how this thing works. This is the layout for the pickit 10F200, the thing I just bought. You can ignore pin 1 and 2, 1 and 6, those are no connect pins. VDD means positive power. GP2, pin number 3, means it's the general purpose output number 2. 4 is general purpose number 1. 3 is master clear and also GP3. 7 is VSS, which is ground, also known as negative power. 6 is non-connect. And ICSPDAT is our program data. And also number 4 is ICPSTLK, which is program clock. That's gonna help us connect with the pickit 3. And here's the pin indication for the pickit 3. You can probably see it has some common pins such as master clear, VDD, VSS, program data, program clock. Number 6, it's not really necessary that you actually plug it in. You can ignore that. So yeah, here's how you connect it.